Hey guys, my name is Juan Gonzalez. I just opened up this Instagram account to share with you my experiences in my life as a type 1 diabetic that uses an insulin pump and is on the ketogenic diet. Um, this channel is more geared towards showing you how you can cook some really good food on the ketogenic diet, and of course, for you guys to ask me if you want me to cook something that you don't know how to make. We can give it a try, see what we can come up with. Also, this is really hard. This is the first time I post video online about my life in detail. So bear with me if the content is not that good in the beginning. I will make a big effort so that I can make this a whole lot better. I've been doing this ketogenic diet since probably 1997. I've been on and off. I've lost weight, I've gained weight, and it took me a long time to realize that this is a really good diet. So I will be posting, especially for my diabetes. Again, I will be posting some progress of how my diabetes is responding to this diet and the exercise. I'm also going to be sharing my weight loss results. Excuse me. And this is for everybody to get something out of this, to become a better person. Again, I'm new at this. Please bear with me if the content is not that good. I will make an effort to make it better, but just keep at it. And like David Goggins says, stay hard. I'll see you next time.